Now, here's the thing. Right after the storms hit, the American Red Cross did set up shelter for people who had just simply nowhere else to go. And 13 on Your Side's Marcus Key spent the day speaking with people at a church in Kalamazoo, and he shares their story. Marcus.
We are here in Portage. Earlier today, I spoke with a woman who says she has lost everything. Right now, she's currently being housed with Red Cross. She also says she lost her kids, and she refers to her kids as being 6 cats that she says she hopes she's able to be reunited with as resources are deployed in her area to try to get the last of what's left in her neighborhood.
I mean, I hope nobody ever goes through this.
Gladys Barber says she has lost everything. She can no longer live in her mobile home at Pavilion Estates, saying the tornado tore her roof off, tossing it into her neighbor's backyard.
My roof is gone, my skirting's gone. My roof is in partially my neighbor's yard, in my yard, and my stuff that was in back is scattered all over. And it's not livable. The whole trailer leaks. Now I don't have a place to go. I don't know where I'm going to go.
Barbara says the only thing she hopes to have left is her 6 cats. They have been with her through it all, and now she wonders if she'll ever see them again. The cats to her are her kids.
I did take pictures on my camera, but I'm worried about my kids. I want my kids found, and I want them back, and they're my support animals. That's what I was trying to say, is my support animals. And I rescued most of them, and so now they're rescuing me, if I could ever get back with them.
While Barbara says she's lost just about everything, others say damage to their home was minor. Shamari Brown is thankful he and his family made it out of their house safely.
I was asleep during it, and it hit my house, hit my sister's window, and my mom had came and woke me up telling me what happened, and I went outside to go see what all happened to where I lived, and it was crazy.
Now, so far, the Red Cross says they have been able to help about 20 people so far, and they expect for that number to fluctuate. However, their services are open to anyone in the area who needs them. Reporting live in Portage, I'm Marcus Key for 13 on Your Side.